We're gonna get a picture of that one.
Right there.
That's gonna be the thumbnail. Sick.
Hey, look who's here. It's the man himself.
Mess him up. Heck yeah, baby.
I'm so ready,
What's
dude.
going on?
I'm so ready, dude.
Oh god, let's get out of here, dude. I never want to get on an airplane again. I'm jacked. Too bad it wasn't raining like this.
Yeah, I
This
know,
is
man. This
nasty.
sucks. Alright, let's go pick up some tackle though.
Heck yeah, for sure. Alright, so we're in Shields right now. Bryce
Getting the
got
essentials going.
a simple reel. You got
know what
some
kind it is.
micro ice.
You just pulled one off the wall.
That'll work. Alright, so geez, my favorite jigs are like picked over right now, as you can see. But we're gonna try to pick some out and see what he might want.
Yeah.
Just checked out the old clam, or I don't know, this is odd. 3-man shack, flipped up into it. We're like, oh crap, this thing's huge.
Oh, dude, are these the lights? I think no. Wait, what is that? No, that's a fan.
That's probably for inside your.
Yeah. Dude, I could have
whatever.
sworn that was like a. I don't know
the
what I'm
crappie
thinking.
lights, you know.
A crappie light, yeah.
We got all tip-up stuff. We're all good for that. Trying to think. Oh, dude, we could go to Fleet Farm and get our bait tonight. That's what we could do.
Oh,
Go
yeah,
to the gas station, get some bait. But yeah, all right. So we got our stuff at Shields. Probably gonna stop at Fleet Farm. We got some. What do you got? Some plastics.
Plastics, some jigs, a reel, some line. We just got all the basic essentials for ice fishing. We're gonna go out and hopefully catch some stuff.
But we do have to pick up some gold jigs at Fleet Farm though, because those gold jigs, dude.
Crappie? Dude, I've only
gold
caught like
jigs are
one
good.
crappie through the ice.
Also-
I could get on a nice
Also
cool crappie.
black jigs too. Gold
Black?
and black jigs. Those are
Alright.
two good colors that we might need. Alright, so we got all the stuff walking under a tree here. We're gonna run to Fleet Farm, grab some of our bait, because we'll be going out hopefully late tomorrow. I don't know what we're doing yet. We're gonna figure that out. I'd probably pick up, I don't know. So you'd be back at 12, right?
12-ish.
12. We got time probably to head out to a good spot. Probably put out some tip-ups too and get some shiners and whatever else. I don't know. Just stopped at Fleet Farm, grabbed some
Buckle up,
waxworms.
click your ticket, you know. Here we go. We got the 36 waxworms. It's probably gonna last us like a day, you know. The bite's just been on fire.
I hope. What else we got?
Oh yeah, you
Show
just
us
want to
a
go
couple
over
other
what we got here?
Yeah.
Alright, so here we
Real
go.
quick.
We got receipts, and so we got a little reel. I don't even know. We're kind of in a rush, so I just grabbed one off the shelf.
Shields brand. What was
Shields
that? 15
brand,
bucks. That'll do.
Yeah, hey, I mean, it will work. And here we go. Let's grab all the jigs out here. We got some soft plastics. Looking
These-
good, looking good.
These are good. I've never tried these before. I'm interested to see how
And we
those
got
are.
3 different colored jigs right
All
here.
Fiscos, best jigs out there.
Thumbnail.
Best tungstens.
There you go.
Thumbnail. That will be a thumbnail probably.
Oh, we got the line.
Oh yeah.
And we got some line.
Heck yeah.
Alright, now we're good.
Now we're gonna go in Fleet Farm and see what else there is. In like 10
The ice
months.
fishing stuff for yeah, I mean,
Probably
this
not.
is the 99
Yo, are those
cent.
trebles?
Yeah.
Oh no, but they're catfish trebles, aren't they? Oh yeah. I gotta get some trebles. Wait.
Alright.
Trebles and what else do I need?
This is the cheap stuff.
Trebles and sinkers. You gotta remind me. I need some trebles and
yeah.
sinkers. All right, show me that black, dude. I gotta see.
Alright, here we go. We'll try not to
That looks money. Like I might have to get some of
There
these. To be honest, I don't have a color like that.
There we go.
See if we can get it focused.
Looking good. There we go. We'll just
You
switch
can barely
everything
see
over
it,
to
but
the
it's
bag.
black and there's like gold flake on it. It looks super sick.
The black jig's been
I
good
like
lately, and the gold jig's been good
They
lately.
have,
We
they
just
have.
combine the two. There we go.
Yeah. Guys, what is going on? We are back. So earlier in this video, we headed out, picked up Bryce from the airport, and got some of his gear. Right now, we are out on the river, and I got Trent over here, got some of the boys out, and Bryce is going to grab his underwater camera from the car, and just drilled some holes. We got a couple hours to fish before it gets dark, and we're gonna see if we can get on a couple crappies for you guys, and see if we can get Bryce a couple of his first fish through the ice for the year. Dude, my fingers are frozen.
That's a light rod, dude. I was like, old bluegill rod, so I was like, use it anyway.
I saw it going off as I was walking back.
Oh, that's a nice fish. Hey, there you go.
She'll do.
I still really catch one. Hey, there you go.
Snake.
I gotta catch one today, guys. There you go, little pike.
Good. Send it back. Give it to Bryce. Give it to Bryce.
Bryce, you want it?
Hell yeah.
Wait for it to spin. Get down here. God, Saki. Alright.
Checker.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
on there.
he's on there.
It's on there.
Alright.
Grab the
Oh, it
line.
is.
Grab the line and yank her.
Alright.
Grab the line.
He's taking. Take it.
Yank it.
We got it.
Pull up.
Let her run if she's got to go.
Dude, I think it came off. Oh wait, no, it didn't.
Oh, it didn't.
No, he's just running at you or away. Probably at you.
Try to keep it away from the edge.
Yeah. Alright, here we go, my first fish.
Hey!
Oh, it's a monster!
It's a tiny pike.
At least
Hey, there we go, first fish in the trip.
Ooh, he swallowed that. I'll go grab my pliers.
That.
Alright.
Don't try to make it look bigger than it is. That thing's tiny. I will get it back though.
make that shit.
Bryce got it.
There we go. Get them back in the hole. First fish of the day. We've been seeing people catch pike left and right here, but hey, it's nice to finally have a fish.
Yeah, I've been getting more marks. I think it's turning on.
There we go.
Well, better turn on.
Hey.
You're up. You're taking it.
Again?
Yeah. He's there. All right. You ready? Set it. You feel him?
Yeah.
Got him? It's probably small.
Head shakes. Jeez. Ooh. Got a little fight in them.
You guys are just gonna take all my tip ups today?
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah? Well, maybe you should go buy some windows because that one's nicer.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey. I think he's small. Oh, it's a bluegill, bro. First fish of the day.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Little gill.
I was too busy looking over there. Hey, there we go.
I thought it was gonna be a tiny crappie.
Little tiny bluegill. Get back. All right. Yeah, at
He's
least
gonna
it's
bite
not
on your
fishing
jig.
hole now.
All right, guys, run. Better fish for sure. Decent gill. That's a keeper. Hey! Sick, guys. That is a huge freaking gill. I'll take him. Look at that.
5 rods? What do you get, like 5 rods at discount?
Yeah. There we go. Oh, that's good. That's good, dude. Deucer. This thing's good. I don't know what this is. It's definitely a northern, bro. Come over here.
No, I think it's gonna be a big crappie.
This thing feels big, though. I've never felt this big of a fish on this rod.
Sucker.
There you go. Let's see what it is, dude.
It's coming off.
Did you rip a
That's
jag?
northern. He was northern.
It's gotta be.
Oh,
Small guy.
hey. How's it feel on that rod?
Crazy. I knew it was a bigger fish for sure. Oh, he popped.
Oh, dude, he's right there.
Did I actually break off on that?
Yeah, I saw the jig in his mouth still.
Dang.
Dude, he's right.
Come on. He seems like he wants it. He's like coming up. Oh yeah. He's gonna hit it. Watch my tip. Did it go?
I think
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, there you
Proper.
go.
Freaking crappie.
Oh yeah.
Tiny one. Well, it's about time.
There you go.
Well, looks like I'm gonna have to start digging.
They arrived, bro. They arrived.
Hey, maybe the later bite's gonna be better here. I know for sure they weren't biting this morning though. I still have yet to catch one on a rod and reel.
This afternoon, that is. Took my plastic and
Took your
all.
plastic?
No, it's split in half. Bruh.
That's tough, man.
Whatever.
Is that your last one?
I got one more
Hey,
of
there
that
you go.
one.
Not a bad crappie at all. There he goes.
All right, boys, we got a freaking gator over here. 34 inches.
Look at this northern.
Dude, that is the biggest one I've seen. out here, bro.
34.
Holy
that is a
crap.
mondo, dude.
We're gonna get a picture of that one.
Right there.
That's gonna be the thumbnail. Sick.
Dude, that's a monster. Here.
I need spreaders. I lost my pliers.
Holy crap.
Oh, dude, I gotta get a picture for Lily.
Oh, baby.
Video evidence. I'm going to show the commissioner this one. You will not get away with this. We are not
Oh, it's so
unethical
close.
kids.
Dude,
Do you have a good picture of it? Somebody?
Yeah, we got one.
You keeping that? What are you getting?
No.
Don't keep that.
That's a
female.
monster for the here.
No, that's a good female. I ain't keeping that. Riley, there's too many people.
Yeah, I know.
Alright,
There we go. Sick.
There we go. Let's get her back.
Oh, shit. Oh, she's gone. Let's go.
that was a very great.
Alright guys, so realized I didn't film an outro for this video. So I am here with John, just finished up editing. I'll link John's channel down below. He'll be in the next video coming up in a day or two after you guys watch this one. So I just finished editing the video. We're putting it up for you guys. Forgot to film that intro or that outro. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new, go subscribe to my channel. Next goal is 1K. Go check out John's too. He's got some sick content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next episode of DC Bronzies. See ya.